अब मैं दावत किताब दूंगा पीटीएम नौजवान रहनुमा शिराज भाई को। आए अपने ख्याल का इज़हार करें।
थैंक यू वेरी मच। बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया जैसे फ्रीडम मूवमेंट का हमें इनवाइट करने का। डिस्टिंग्विश्ड ह्यूमन राइट defender speeches, respected member of the Pashtun diaspora, allies from around the world and representative of the international community. Today I stand before on behalf of the Pashtun Tahaffuz Movement United Kingdom chapter in solidarity and with millions of Pashtun, Baloch, Sindhis and other marginalized communities who have endured decades of systematic persecution in Pakistan. On this International Human Rights Day, we gather not to ask for rights, but we demand that already belong to us by birth and by law. The Pashtun Tahaffuz movement was born from pain, the pain of mothers searching for sons who never returned, the pain of children crippled by landmines planted in their own neighborhood, the pain of families watching their homes, village and farmland reduced to ash. Since 2001, our people have paid unbelievable cost. Over 76,000 Pashtun civilians have lost their lives. More than 6,700 remain missing, taken away in enforced disappearance. 9 million people have been forced from their homes. Schools destroyed, fields turned into minefields, future taken away. And today we speak their names, the word most remember, Ali Wazir, the founding member of PTM and elected representative, imprisoned and tortured under the fabricated charges. Haji Abdul Samad, held for more than 1 year on false accusation. And today we call out the name of those abducted. Nurullah Tareen, Hanif Pashtun, Adnan Wazir, Gauhar Pashtun, Habib Khan, Farman Khan and Irfan Khan. They are taken by military intelligence MI Islamabad wing. The Chief Minister of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa admitted it himself, yet no one has been released. Let the world hear us clearly. We will not be silenced. We will not be erased. We will not be abandoned, our people. We do not seek revenge, we seek justice. We do not spread hurt, we demand dignity. We do not ask for special treatment, we demand equal rights. Rights guaranteed by Pakistan's own constitution, by international agreement that Pakistan has signed. Today we stand united. We stand for truth and we stand for every mother still searching, every child still waiting and every prisoner still hoping for freedom. Our struggle is peaceful, but our resolve is unshakable. Long life justice, long life equality, long life humanity, and long life the moment of truth and dignity. Once again, thank you so much, JSF, for inviting us and arranging this people protest on Human Rights Day. I would like to conclude my speech with the words of our great leader, Dr. Manzoor Ahmad Pashtun. Chi zulm kavi khilafiyu, chi zulm kavi, chi zulm kavi, chi zulm kavi, chi zulm kavi. Thank you very much.